Yes, welcome again. Here, let's discuss about splitting the middle term using formula. Well, there are some contexts whereby you need to split the middle term. There are other manual ways in which you could use to split the middle term, like by using flash fill. For instance, by using flash fill, the manual way, here, the middle term is Peter. You simply write Peter, then by using shortcut of flash fill, Control plus E, then all the middle names have been split out. Kasim, Yuma, Alfan, Rashid, Henry, and Musa. This is the manual way of splitting the middle term by using flash fill. But we are facing a certain challenge. The challenge is this is possible with the latest version of Microsoft Excel. Also, the other challenge is sometimes you might need to automate, let's say in a template, you're preparing a certain template. We want, if a person enters the names, three names here, then the middle name splits it by itself. Hence, there is a need of a formula. Now, with the use of a formula, the formula is like this way. There are two attempts. The first one, let's use the first formula, and with the second formula, we will have see how the alternative way. Now, the formula is, let's start with equal sign, then mid. We want the middle name returns the character from the mid of a text string. Then open the bracket. We are asked of the text, the mid in this text. Then we click that, then comma. We are asked of the starting number. So in this case, for instance, if you count Jamal, J 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then Peter is starting point is character number 8. Then comma. Number of characters. Peter, there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then write 5. Close the bracket and enter. Then the work is over. But we are facing a kind of a challenge that not in every name that the first name, the surname, the middle name starts in character number 80. There is no consistency of these two numbers, the starting number and the number of characters, because each name has got a certain kind of number characters, so different from the other one. So if we drag this one to the rest of the names, there are some, of course, this one Damas has come properly, but Kasim somewhere not correct, Alfan not correct, this one not correct. So what do? We have to apply a formula whereby the starting number, it should regenerate by itself, and the number of characters, it should regenerate by itself. How do we do it? Now, the following things should be done. The starting number should be, since the parameter to know this is the middle name is after, in this word, after space. So the starting number should be, you should find the space. Find the space in this word. If you find the space, that won't be enough. Then space plus 1. Now, Peter has to be here, as we have said. starting number is the character number 8. This one. Find the space, then plus 1. The number of characters should be, you find the second space. This is the first space, then you find another space, and this one, plus 1. This one is the second space. Starting the first name, this is space, then the second name, this is space. So the total length of the second space minus here. The total length of second space minus the space of the first name. So number of characters are 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the number of characters. So how do we do? In summary, we'll say equal sign mid text, this one, then starting number. Here there was a formula. You find space in this cell plus 1 plus the starting number. Now, how many characters? Number of characters. You find the second space, the length of the second space in this cell, this space, then second space in this cell plus 1 minus the length of the first, from first name up to the first space. So find space in here. That will be off. Then if you close the bracket, the formula is over like this one. If you apply, then all the response have come correctly. So simply, if we study this formula, the thing will be is this way. You are in need of something from the mid in cell B3. Then here we are asked of starting number. The starting number is you find space in this cell plus 1. If you find the space, you will reach here in the space. But the starting number, after space, you go one step. This is the logic of putting 1. Then here, if you click number of characters, you find the second gap, the first gap and the second gap, this first gap and second gap, plus 1 minus find the difference of the first name up to the first gap. This is the logic. If you apply, then best will be the solution for splitting the middle name by using formula. As I've pinpointed here, this is the first formula. Now, you get prepared for the second formula, the alternative way of splitting the middle name by using formula. So get stand by and think of this formula. Thank you.